In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com templates to plan and manage your product roadmap and sprints. We'll start right inside Monday.com. First, head over to the Template Center. This is where you can browse and install ready-made boards, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Once you're there, look towards the highlighted area on your screen and click it to open the main template gallery. Next, choose to start with a template. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a new board based on one of their predefined setups, instead of creating a blank board. In the search bar that appears, type in the highlighted keyword you see on screen. This helps you quickly filter down to the specific template category or use case you're looking for. When the results load, click on the highlighted template tile that matches what you need. This will open a detailed preview of the template. Here you can review what columns, groups, and views are included. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will now create a board in your account based on that setup. Once your new board is created, you'll see different items and groups like Improve Templates, Improve Inbox, Create App Store, and Develop New Templates. Click on each of these items to open them. This is a good way to review how work is structured in this template and to start tailoring it to your own projects. You'll also notice different views at the top of the board, such as New Feature Releases, Agile, Roadmap, and Kanban. Click on Agile, Roadmap to see your initiatives laid out over time. This view is ideal for long-term planning and understanding how projects align across quarters. Then switch over to Kanban to see the same work represented as cards moving through stages. This is especially useful for daily execution and stand-ups. From here, you can toggle between additional views like Main Table, Workload, Gantt, and more Kanban views. Use Workload to see how tasks are distributed across your team and avoid overbooking anyone. Gantt will give you a timeline with dependencies, perfect for tracking deadlines and critical paths. As you move between views, continue clicking into items like Work on Inbox Reconfiguration, Social Media Integrations, A/B Test Templates, and others. This will help you understand how the template organizes epics, tasks, and sub-items. Finally, use options like Connect Item and New Item to link related work across boards and to add new tasks directly into your roadmap or sprint board, keeping everything connected and easy to track.